Day, man. Today, I will be going to talk about the most exciting skills in volleyball, attacking, also known as the spike. Attacking is the main offensive skill used to score points against the opponent. It is usually performed by a front row player who jumps and hits the ball forcefully over the net, aiming to make it difficult or impossible for the opposing team to return it. A successful attack starts with good set. The setter plays a crucial role by delivering the ball in the perfect position and timing for the attacker. Without a good set, even the strongest hit may struggle to make an effective attack. Next is the approach. Most attackers use a three-step or four-step approach to build momentum. This helps them jump higher and generate more power. Timing is very important here. Jumping too early or too late can affect the hit. Then comes the jump and arm swing. The player jumps explosively, keeps their eyes on the ball, and swings their arm before striking the ball at its highest point. A strong wrist snap helps direct the ball downward into the opponent's court. Finally, attackers must choose where to hit the ball. They can aim for open spaces, the sidelines, the back row, or even try to soft tip if blockers are present. Smart attackers don't just rely on power, but they also use strategy. Good attacking requires coordination, timing, strength, and awareness. It is not just about hitting hard, but also hitting smart. In conclusion, attacking is a powerful weapon in volleyball that can turn the game around when executed properly. With practice, teamwork, any player can improve their attacking skills and become a valuable scorer for the team.